Hi everyone, my name is Philip and welcome to my channel Technology Journey. Today I have for you another useful tips for Apple devices, and this device is iPad and multitasking on iPad. If you want to use two sides on your iPads with slide over or split view with your application, this is the video for you. Let's go! Here is my iPad Pro, and with Magic Keyboard with full keyboards and of course Apple Pencil. And the first, if you need and use the slide over or split view, just two sides or two screens, you need edit your home page. If you just hold some application and choose edit home screen, after that you choose the application, just drag and drop, and if you use another finger and just click to other application, you have to choose more application than one, and after that just pull it out and everything it's okay. If you need to some folder, just hold one application and drag and drop to another, and see you create some folders. Just title, for example, education, I think it's great, and that's it. And again, if just hold and drag some application and remove your folder, you have some simple and minimalistic app. And this is the really important, because I think you have to need the first screen on your iPad, your daily use application. What do you use every day? One time, two time, every time. And another, I think it's really important to dock. It's here, dock. For example, messages, Safari, music, Tweetbot, or settings, keynotes, and other. Because if you use the two sides and two screens, you need the dock. And the first, for example, I choose the Safari, okay. And here's the wedge. And if I want some other screens, for example, this article about Clubhouse, it's very interesting for me. I just hold it, drag, and to right side or left side, and that's it. And after that, I just continue with reading on the main page, and I know on the other side I have the article about Clubhouse and defined a format. Now it has to defend it. Okay, yeah, it sounds interesting. And if I want to continue, I'm just clicking out and continue with reading. It's very simple and very usage. Or if you drag some articles and show open in background, you have another background, and you see there is your article, and this is the main page. And after that, I just close this article, and again I continue with some reading and with some article. After that, if you want to choose some slides and some screens like slide over and split view, you just little bit hold on and action in dock. After that, you choose some application, for example, Apple Music, and drag and drop to the sides. And you see this is the slide over. After that, you just pull it to other side, just swipe right or swipe left, or continue with reading on the main page, or I choose another page like Mac Stories. It's my favorite web page about Apple, especially about iPad. And yeah, I of course continue reading with Apple Music, or again I choose some docs and choose another application like Tweetbot for Twitter, and now I'm reading my Twitter timeline in Czech Republic, or I choose another application like Trello, or for example, files, and other. And I choose, of course, some folders. Or if I swipe up on the slide over, up, you have to choose another application for your slide over. For example, again, I have Apple Music, or I have Trello, or there is some gestures on the slide over, and just left or right on the side, just hop, hop, and you choose your application. For example, this is the shortcuts. Okay, this is the Young, Trello again, and yeah, this is the Apple Music. This is the slide over. It's very simple and very useful. I think it's great for everyday usage, like for your emails, for your words, pages, or other workflow, and of course usage. And if you want, you have to remove the slide over, just left to right side swipe, and it's back. And after that, I think I again need the slide over. Yeah, it's very simple. Just swipe on the right to the left side on your iPad, and that's it. Here is your slide over. And again, you pull it out to other side or other side and just continue with reading. Or this is the article right for Polygon. Okay, I'm just drag and drop on the side, or just choose it, and it's very simple and very useful. This is the slide over. Another screens, it's a split view. If you see the grade line on the top side, I choose on my Magic keyboard here on my trackpad. And if you hold and drag and pull it to right or left side, this is the split view. Two window. On the left I have Safari, on the right I have Apple Music. And again, I choose some docs application, for example, another tweetbot, and here is it, or some files, and I choose the window, or for example, Trello, and other application. It's very simple and very useful. You choose the window if you small or big or other side, or if you want to something else like just only Safari. It's very simple and useful. And now I'm get again the split view, and after that you have just see the three windows with two split view, Safari and Apple Music, and third slide over. Again, on the right side to the left, I just swipe out, and here is it. This is my slide over and my previous application. For example, Young or shortcuts, or again, I choose the docs, and I choose, for example, another Safari and some page, and yeah, there is our Clubhouse, and I have article. I think it's really simple and very useful. Two split view window, one slide over. If you have the keyboard, you have to some really shortcuts like here, and I search some application, for example, my Keynote, and after that you see the icon, and I hold it and drag and drop to slide over or to split view, for example here, and yeah, continue, and that's it. Very easy and very useful. And if you want to another window, there is some application to support another window like 2, 3, 5 Safari, 2 Notes, 2 Reminders, 2 Calendar, or 2 Trello. If you just hold it and choose the edit show all windows, you see my windows with calendar, or my Safari, again Safari and show all windows. It's very easy and very useful. Yeah, or my mail, again show all windows, and after that I just click on the button plus, or maybe it's great on Safari, I show all windows, I click on the plus button, and I have new window with Safari. And after that, I just two sides of Safari, like one Safari, drag and drop Safari, and after that I choose my window or previous window, for example with polygon, or I choose another and I get a plus, and I have two sides of Safari. On the first page I have a Mac Stories, on the second page and window I have The Verge. And that's it, that's all. It's very simple, very minimalistic. This is the multitasking on iPad. If you have some questions, comments, just down descriptions below. I really appreciate of your comments, sharing and likes. And of course, see you soon and stay safe. Bye bye.